Welcome to While You Were Pooping, where we share fun facts, helpful anecdotes, or something to laugh about in just the time it takes you to number two. Today, we're rocketing beyond Earth's atmosphere to explore a technology that's literally out of this world: 3D printing in space. How do astronauts print the tools they need while orbiting the Earth? Let's get into it.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
Since the inception of space travel, one of the biggest challenges has been the logistics of carrying everything astronauts need into space. Every additional pound adds to the cost and complexity of space missions. Enter 3D printing, a game changer for space exploration. NASA started experimenting with 3D printers on the International Space Station, or ISS, in 2014. The idea? To produce tools and equipment on demand, right there in the zero-gravity environment of space. This capability is critical, especially for long-duration missions like those to Mars, where resupplying from Earth isn't viable. The first 3D printer was set up as a part of a technology demonstration, and it successfully printed a variety of items, including the famous first tool made in space: a wrench. This wasn't just any wrench. It was designed on Earth and then emailed to the ISS, where it was printed out layer by layer in plastic. Printing in zero gravity comes with its unique set of challenges. The process used is called fused deposition modeling, or FDM, where layers of heated plastic are extruded and built up to form the final object. In microgravity, everything from the heating of the plastic to the way layers adhere to each other has to be carefully calibrated. The benefits of this technology are immense. It reduces the need for astronauts to carry a large inventory of spare parts, which can now be produced as needed. Plus, it paves the way for future space missions to be more self-sufficient, using this technology to create not just tools, but potentially parts for repairs, medical instruments, and even habitats. NASA and other space agencies are exploring the use of more advanced 3D printing techniques, including using different materials like metals and even moon dust. The goal? To eventually use resources found on other planets to build tools and structures. As we look to the stars, 3D printing stands as a brilliant example of how technology can make the impossible possible. It's not just making life easier for astronauts, it's expanding the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. Hey, thanks for listening to While You Were Pooping. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to rate, subscribe, and most importantly, share it with a friend. Your support keeps us uncovering more fascinating facts every day. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.